thinking about the weather condition. What is the weather like today?
Cloudy,
And
rainy.
good. So when we're driving in a raining condition, what are the risks involved?
Cyclist, maybe road conditions,
Yeah, what is the road condition like?
more slippery,
Yeah, good. So when
chances of,
we, yeah, and when we're driving in a raining condition, the roads are slippery.
yeah,
How would that impact us?
stopping distance and
Yeah, because the brakes will be wet.
wet.
So
Yeah,
when we're driving in a wet condition, how many seconds gap we normally maintain?
4 seconds.
4 seconds gap. Good. So 4 seconds, of course, we do use a phrase. It's called only fool break a 2 second rule. Have you ever heard that phrase before?
Only full
Break a 2 second rule.
2 second rule at dry condition, but
Yeah. So let's say how is that phrase work? You have any idea? How can you do that? No.
no.
If you drive in the car in the dry condition, and let's say we got a red car there in front of us, and
Yeah.
they're driving that way. So just imagine for 1 minute, and you do have got a tree next to the red car there. You can see that?
Yeah,
Imagine you have the target. So as you're driving, that car is driving, you're maintaining this gap. And about here, you say this phrase, only fool break a 2 second rule. The chances are by the time you reach that tree, you're going to complete this phrase. And if you feel that you're still maintaining a safe gap from the front car, means you're maintaining the 2 second gap. That's for the 2 seconds.
okay.
But when we're driving in a wet condition, because one phrase equal to how many seconds?
2 seconds.
So in the wet condition, how many times we have to say this phrase?
2 times.
Yes. So you have to now say this phrase 2 times. So if you're approaching this, only fool break a 2 second rule, only fool break a 2 second rule. And if you get too close to that car, that means your distance is quite close. So we have to bigger distance. So now you should be able to say this phrase twice up until you reach that tree or whatever object you have chosen. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, obviously, we know that if they do sudden braking, our brakes are wet, so it might not apply that quickly. That is the reason why we have to think about the 2 second or 4 second gap. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Also, because you're doing it first time, if the rain comes harder and then your visibility get reduced because of the rain on the windscreen, how would you going to clean that? How would you going to wipe that? How are you going to use, what would you need to do? Any idea?
Viper.
Do you know how to use it in my car?
Yeah.
Is that one correct?
Yeah.
Now put your finger there. Now imagine, no, just make your wheel straight for 1 minute. Now put your board hand 10 to 2. So the way you signal left, just push it 1 down. That's it. So this is a 1 speed. Now keep it on for 1 minute. This is a 1 speed. Now what it will do, because the rain is not very heavy and fast, this will activate after a few seconds. So maybe this is what we need right now. Can you see that?
Yeah.
However, if the rain is getting more heavier, we need a bit more faster. How can we make it faster? What do? And if it's more heavier, and then when the rain slow down,
We can.
yeah, good. And then when the rain is stop.
We can.
Now, a lot of people, the rain completely stopped, but they forgot to turn off the wiper. What could be the risk potentially you might be taking with the wipers? What could have happened if the wipers is running on the dry windscreen?
The view could be restricted.
That's one. And also, would that damage the wiper, you think?
Yeah.
Because the wiper have got a rubber, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the rubber can only work when the screen are wet. And if it's working on a dry screen, it might damage and cut. That means that if it's got cut down and the rain come again, it may not work efficiently. So that is the reason why make sure you do that.